Hey there, smart seekers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of daily habits that can help you boost your brain power and become smarter every single day. These habits are sure to make a significant difference in your life. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, Morning Mindfulness. First up, starting your day with mindfulness can set the tone for a smarter day ahead. Take a few moments in the morning to practice meditation or deep breathing exercises. This helps reduce stress, clears your mind, and enhances focus, setting you up for a day of optimal learning and productivity. Number 2, Reading Ritual. You've probably heard this one before, but reading regularly is a cornerstone of intelligence. Carve out at least 30 minutes every day to read books, articles, or even quality online content on topics that interest you. It stimulates your brain, expands your knowledge, and improves your vocabulary and comprehension skills. Number 3, Embrace lifelong learning. Being smarter isn't just about what you know now, it's about staying curious and eager to learn new things. Make a habit of learning something new every day. It could be a new word, a historical fact, or a skill you've always wanted to master. Embrace lifelong learning, and your brain will thank you for it. Number 4, Puzzles and brain games. Engaging your brain in challenging puzzles, brain teasers, or even strategy games can significantly improve cognitive function. Dedicate some time each day to solve puzzles, play chess, or try brain training apps. Not only is it fun, but it also sharpens your memory, problem-solving abilities, and critical thinking skills. Number 5, Regular physical exercise. Believe it or not, your physical health plays a vital role in your mental acuity. Regular exercise increases blood flow to the brain, leading to improved focus and memory retention. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise daily to keep your brain in top shape. Number 6, Mindful nutrition. What you eat fuels your brain. Go for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients support brain health and help you stay alert and mentally sharp throughout the day. Number 7, Reflective journaling. Journaling can be a powerful tool for self-reflection and personal growth. Take a few minutes each day to write down your thoughts, goals, and any new insights you've gained. This practice enhances self-awareness and can lead to better decision-making and problem-solving skills. Number 8, Limit digital distractions. As much as technology can enhance our lives, it can also be a source of distraction. Limit your screen time and be mindful of your digital usage. Constant notifications and multitasking can negatively impact your ability to concentrate and process information. There you have it, family, a set of daily habits that can make you smarter every day. Remember, becoming smarter is not an overnight process, it's about consistency and commitment to these habits. So, let's embrace these practices and unlock our full intellectual potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and stay smart. Bye for now.